Nisha here. Welcome to my channel Be That. Today I'm doing the haul video of Glove Factory. So today I'm going to talk about Glove Factory products and everything which I've ordered a month ago. So the first thing we are going to talk about is Glove Factory itself. So it's a Chinese website. You get all the products via China. So directly it gets shipped from China. इसके प्रोडक्ट बहुत कूल बहुत मस्त होते हैं. You get top dresses here, all the electronic things, your shoes, your earrings, and all the cool things which you will not get in India. You will get, but it will cost higher and higher price. But here you get it in very cheap prices. You will not even believe that you're getting an earring in just like cost of I think 35 or maybe 75, and you'll be like, no, it's a fake app. It's not. It really works wonders. At starting में मुझे भी लगा था that I should order it or not. I was really confused. I was like, no, I don't want to order. Maybe it's a fake app or something, because the COD is not available. That's why I was quite panicked. But when I ordered it, I was like very happy with the products. Very happy. So अब मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आप इसे ऑर्डर कैसे कर सकते. आप अपने फोन से डायरेक्टली इसे ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. I will give the pic of the logo somewhere on my screen somewhere that you could easily get it. I really get confused while for the logo thing. And I have given the link below the description box. You can just go on and check it out. It takes near about 1 month, 28 days or 30 days. Don't get panicked. Don't get like why I'm not getting my products or something. So आप अपने product को track भी कर सकते हो. कहाँ पहुँचा है, कहाँ तक पहुँचा है. So you don't get that panic vibe. So मैंने जो भी products order किए थे, मुझे 1 month लगे थे. I was really excited. So I was tense also that कैसे आएगा. Of course मेरा first time था. But when it came, it was wonder. It was like, it's amazing. Just love it. So now, payment procedure. So the payment procedure is COD is not available. COD is not available. You can do online payment. You can use your debit and credit card and whatsoever you want. आपको shipping charges नहीं देने पड़ेंगे अगर आपने 2000 तक order किया है. उसके बाद shipping is free. उससे पहले अगर आप ऑर्डर करते हो like 500 or something, then you have to give like 100 rupees or 150, depends on the shipping charges. But if it's above 2000, you don't have to pay. So now I'll talk about the earphones. So मैंने इसे use किया है and the clarity is superb. It's no less than any brand thing. It's really nice. It's really lovely, and voice clarity is very nice. The color is very nice. It goes with my t-shirts and everything, and I really love it. And now I'll talk about the box. The box, it's very hard. As I told you before, it's very hard, so it won't get broken easily. And the second point I was telling, which you can use, is you can keep if you're going somewhere and traveling, you can just put on your earrings and your chains and everything to get it safe. It will be very safe. It's really lovely. I really love this. This is so cute. So now I'll talk about my second product, which is my makeup pouch. It's of pink color. I love this color, and it cost 58 rupees only. You can now I'll tell you about the quality. So it's a mixture of rubber and polyester. It's really nice. It's spacious. You can see it's very spacious. You can keep I keep a lot of things in it, like my brushes, my shadow, my all the creams, my foundation and everything, my highlighter, everything. And I just put it on my bag and I'm good to go. Now I'll talk about my third product, which is the storage bag. I've ordered because when I am in home, I keep my stuff here and there. I'm not so COD about cleaning. I'm not at all into that. So I'm very messed up. I'm a very messed up person, really lazy one. So I thought of keeping all the things arranged, organized way mein. But what happened was I was not happy with the quality. I was not happy. I thought of it should not be like, it should be like quite hard or something, but it's not. You can see this. It has no stability at all. The look wise, it's cool. It's really cute and something. You have the spaces here, so you can keep all the brushes and stuff, brushes here, and then I keep my creams here. Sometimes I keep something, change or something, and then I keep my extra whatever stuff I'm having. I keep my screen lotion and everything. But I'm not so happy with this product. और जब मैंने इसे ऑर्डर करने से पहले जब मैंने क्लब फैक्ट्री ऐप में देखा था, तो दिस साइज वाज लुकिंग लाइक थोड़ा बड़ा होगा एंड स्पेशियस होगा काफ़ी ज़्यादा, बट इट वाज नॉट. एंड द प्राइस ऑफ दिस वन इज 60 rupees. My pouch was better. any day. My pouch was better than this. So now I'll talk about my fourth product, which is my iPhone cover. This blue one, it's made of rubber or something. Yes, it's made of rubber. It's really nice. It's simple. It's very simple. It's of blue color, dark blue color. I really love this because when my phone is in, it's look really nice. I'll just show you. Wait, I'll just show you. So now this is how it looks like. You know, pink and blue goes, and it costed 45 rupees only. The cover, yes, iPhone cover, 45 rupees. I got it on 45 rupees, and I'm really happy. I'm using it. I think it has been, I think quite a day. I'm using it and I'm very happy with this. I'm really happy with this. इसमें scratches भी नहीं आते. Like even I'm using my nails and everything, so it's really nice. And the other one which I've ordered, it was of 114. I saw that on Instagram and I just love that. But I'm not being able to find it right now. I've kept it somewhere and I've just forgot where I've kept it. I will insert a picture of that cover that you can see that. उसकी quality बहुत अच्छी थी. Like इसकी भी है, उसकी भी थी. But आप चाहो तो आप उसे order कर सकते हो. That's really lovely. That's really helpful, and I loved it because that was pink with that black thing. It was really nice. It was going with my phone a lot, but I cannot find it. So now I'll talk about my other product, which is remote cover, and you get this of 3 sizes. I will tell you the uses. The first one, आप इसे अपने remote TV remote cover के लिए use कर सकते हैं. And the other one, you can use it for your setup box remote, which you have that small remote, right? You can use it for that. And the third one for your AC remote. And the price of this is, I got it on 105 rupees. This 3 for 105 rupees, which is again very affordable. And the third thing I will say, it's really cute. Just see, I'll just show you. This is so cute. Teddy है यहाँ पे, बहुत cute. And very soft. It's really nice. When I put my remote and everything, really look nice. Really look very organized type. मैं आपको डाल के दिखाती हूँ. Just wait. This is how it looks. You get the teddy thing. You can keep it upside down as you wish, and you can just see you're ready to go. It's really nice. See, it's really nice. It's very soft. It's really cool. And वैसे ही आप AC remote डाल सकते हो, आप अपना setup remote डाल सकते हो. So now I'll talk about my other product, which is unique tassel earring. This is how it looks like. It costs 89 rupees only. It's really nice. You can see. I'll just show you. This is how it looks. This is how this both looks. It's silver plated. You can get, according to your color choice, you can get copper and gold color. I wanted silver one, so I've ordered it. And again, आप इसे अपने Indian और Western dresses के साथ पहन सकते हैं. It's really look good. Market में ऐसे बहुत सारे आपको मिलेंगे, but it's really nice. So it's very simple and sweet and very classy it is. I will just show you. पहन के दिखाती हूँ मैं आपको. Just wait. How it will look on me and on you. Just a second. So this is how it's gonna look. Perfect. I don't like very big earrings. I am not so fond of it. This is the perfect size of the earring, the perfect color, and I really like it. I enjoyed wearing it in my Indian dresses as well as my Western t-shirts or waist tie where I just wear it. It's look perfectly. Does not hurt your ear. सबसे अच्छी बात है, मेरे कान में सारे earrings सूट नहीं करते हैं. मुझे दर्द बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. But ये ज़्यादा heavy नहीं है. It looks heavy but it's not. It's very light weighted. It's really nice. और ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. And the price is also very good. Like a sufficient price, 89 rupees. When I have ordered it, it was of 89 rupees. It's really nice. So now I'm going to talk about my other product, which is Tassel Necklace. Statement Tassel Necklace. This is how it will look. It will not look good in this t-shirt. It will look on your waist when you wear the sandu thing. It will really look nice in that. Like white sandu with this, and you can wear harem pant or your big plazo or your jeans. It's a casual jeans. It will really look nice. The price of it is 150 rupees. I got it on 150 rupees. And I really like it. It's quite noisy. It's like you're doing ooh la la and belly dancing wala stuff, but it's really nice. This is how it's gonna look. You can manage the size if you want it like this, if you want it like this. It depends on totally you. Yeah, I like it. See, nice. It's really nice. I'll just show you. This is how it looks. This is how the noise comes. And again, you can get it in according to your color choice. You can get in gold and copper and bronze and whatsoever you want. I like simple. I really like silver, and I always go for silver. I hardly go for gold or something. I like silver. So guys, now I'm going to talk about my other product, which is my favorite among all. My favorite product among all these things, and which is my casual Martin boots. I have got it in only and only 350 rupees, which is, I can't tell how happy I am with it. I'm really happy. You should order it. It's like, you should try this. It's amazing. I have I have ordered this and I simply loved it. 350 rupees. It's amazing for this thing, because whenever I go to my local market, stupid boots they take 1,000 rupees or 2,000, sometimes 3,000 rupees for the local boots whenever I go to local market. So I was just trying my luck. I just really like the picture, so I was just trying my luck. Like 350 rupees एक बार लेके देखते हैं how it looks. But when it came, it was wonder. And I've just used it that I can just show you people and tell you people that ये comfortable था या नहीं था. मेरी size 36 है. I don't get it easily. सारे apps में मुझे मेरी size नहीं मिलती है. And I got this perfectly fit. It was a perfect fit. So size का कोई problem ही नहीं है. आप कोई भी size से order कर सकते हो, कहीं से भी order कर सकते हो. Size is amazing. आपको fitting का कोई problem नहीं होने वाला है. It's, I guarantee. And the comfort, it's if you're very okay with these heels, then the comfort depends on you. It's really nice. इसके comfort बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. Look wise is very nice. I wear it on my black top and my blue jeans with this. It was looking very nice. I will just give you the picture that you could understand कि ये कैसे लग रहा है, and I will give you the real picture also somewhere in the screen again. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It's very strong also. It won't break. I'm very sure of this. It will last long. It will really last long. It's really nice. It's really comfortable. You just have to wear a socks just to avoid that shoe bites and everything. But I have not got the shoe bite luckily. But what if you get? So you just wear the socks thing that you don't get it, and you're good to go. And this shoe don't even smell bad. So guys, now we'll talk about my another product. So guys, I forgot to tell you something very nice. Now I'll just tell you. Club Factory हमें ये सारे products zip pouches में देते हैं. I'm really happy with that. Very satisfied because वो बहुत safely आते हैं हर चीज़ों में. They pack it very nice. बहुत ही अच्छे manner में pack करते हैं that it won't get break because वो China से आते हैं. So I think that's why they do it so safely. They give you the zip pouches in every product, and they put all the things separately, all the products separately whenever you order. So I will just show you from this. I'll take out my products one by one and I'll show you. So the first product in this is this leather leggings. Yes, I've ordered this for the first time. I've never wore it. I never would because I never wear dresses. So I was just thinking कि मैं dresses के साथ क्या पहनूं, because stockings are really visible and I don't wear that visible stuffs. So that's why I've ordered this just for try. I think it costed me near something 169. Yes, this costed me 169 rupees only, but the quality is very nice. Again, I thought of maybe I'll not get a good quality or something, but it's really nice. This is stretchable, you can see, so it will fit on your sizes, whatever. If you're healthy, if you're thin, if you're just like thin like me, it's nice. It's very nice. It's of black color. I think there was color option also. I don't know. I don't remember, but I think it was. And the length is like your knee, it's like your ankle length size. And when you wear it, it really looks nice. You get confident. And I tried my boots wearing on this also. Yes, it was looking nice. And the other product, which was a huge disappointment. It was this backless chiffon top. I don't know what they have given. I really don't understand. This was
worse than a shit. I really didn't like it. Just see, the quality is not at all. I would never go for this. Never, ever, ever go for this. It's not at all nice. It's of not even my size. My size XS. I don't know what they have given. Why they have given this. But never try this. It's backless. It's completely backless. When I wear it, I can't tell how stupid I look when I wear it. So it's a huge disappointment. That storage box, and this was a huge disappointment for me. I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. I will never recommend you this, and it costed me 274 rupees. And it was worthless, like worthless. I have not even tried it. I am planning to make it my pocha. And the third product is the stockings with the net in between. In between, you get this net, and then this stuff, and then again the net and stuff. I will not say it's very good. I will not say it's very bad. मैंने एक्सेस ऑर्डर किया था, मेरे साइज़ के लिए नहीं है ये, बिकॉज मुझे थोड़ा लूज़ हुआ. मेरे वो लेदर जेगिंग्स जैसा मुझे नहीं आया, ये मुझे थोड़ा लूज़ हुआ. लुक वाइज इज सो एंड सो, मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आया. बट it's not so bad. Like if you wear stockings and everything, then you can go for it. I simply can't because it's not my type. It's again, this is stretchable. Quality is good. Quality is not that bad. This look wise is so and so. And the size problem, I think it's quite loose. So now I'll talk about my last product, which was bucket bag, and that costed me 372 rupees. And it was not so worth it. I don't have the bag right now. I have kept it, and it's under the mess. I don't know where I've kept it, so I'm so really sorry for that. I'll just insert the pic right somewhere on this screen that you can see which bag I'm talking about. So when I saw the bag, I really liked it. The color was grey, and there was a lot of option in that bag, and I didn't have the bucket bag. I have never tried that, so I really wanted to try once. But when I ordered it, when it came, the quality was not so good. It was like really so, like you can just go for a market, buy certain thing and you come. The size when I look on this mobile, काफ़ी बड़ी थी, but when it came, it was really, the size was like this much only. When you make it a bucket size, it just make this one. So it's of no use for me. I always carry big bags, so it was no use for me. So I would say the bag was not so good. Like it was so and so. I will just say you not to try. So guys, I really hope that this video had helped you in buying, or if you buy certain things in your future, तो आपको ये वीडियो बहुत हेल्प करेगी. आई होप दैट इफ यू हैव रियली लाइक द वीडियो एंड आपको किसी भी तरीके से इस वीडियो ने हेल्प किया हो, सो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट बिलो, एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब प्लीज. इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट. प्लीज. बाय गाइस.